It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba afeka siabono enchiremu ankasa enin. Ene due yata enipa mienu a wonom eye akrofo yomfo ebomade body wura mu e wala pass eno ne won krapompore mantemu sabia ya wonom esese sika ekwa akwawia wonom adwom sika nyinada ede adwana akopɛ kyese omompra aduane bi de akwa akwadi pam dwumade ni siye ewo bia ya eno wala pass eban elas palmas empotem honom na omobo di bo wura honom pɛ na mo ka kyerɛ staff omo de omdwuma ne sɛ omo de to sra omo ada sika na omo esesa na omo hia sika nte be ya omo fa sika ne bɔkɔ ɛfa nso omo nsɛm na we di adwobro etimi mra sante sade a wonom asum ebetimi apa Manchester pam na mra kramfo yɛbɔ moden ebowura mu ɛwɔ sika krabia honom pɛ ɛna nipa bi a omo gya nyina honom hu sɛ de ɛkɔ so no pɛ mbɔ moden edi mrika tente ɛna yɛ gate ɛdɛte sɛ ne sika sesa krabia na no pɛ mkɔkɔ to mu so mo ma kwan ma krafo etimi mpie na mbɔ moden a ɛtwetefon ɛfrɛ Ghana Post Service bɔ mo ama ne sɛ Ghana Post Service ei de asie ni akwamfa body ewura hanoma be wi amanfo di momode na momra ene apost for yi fum edim rikatente ebodi wura mo nse ne wo beto somia enipa ya kada yi mu akwamfo etimu mpie ene apost for no so gina epono nachi ene mo so ye course ne ye hia apost for do na se momra hanoma se be betimi aboa na akwamfo yatimi ache wonom na ne se efa hen apost for di tentesa ko bie pono se ya akwamfo ne se hirabasa se efa hen kakadwan akwamfo na dwane kɔ aye nsɛmpi waka bupure matemu na nipa na ne kotua wose ko hu bi ni kyerɛ mu sɛ emra mmɔden ana potifo ne ko bie dane ko hwe mu adane ni ho bio ɛdane de esi wona sa akwamfo ne nyina pa bia adwane afa sɛ mekese no Ghana Post Service fo enso de nkata abɔnte aka sɛ kyerɛ mu sɛ ɛyɛ no kwasɛm anopa wei la pass asɛm ne sie ne mom no akwamfo ne de bia wo sese ne de potifo hu bia wo mafa nti sɛ mekese potifo mmɔden afa torch na mkro mo hwehwɛ sɛ kwan bia mo fa so mo bɛkye akwamfo no wonom ɛbɛkye wonom na mra asem ne to dwa nipa bi ebo gengen eye dede asa mo moden acha akronfo no e ma positive kopie mu obia ho no mo no yenkotie dede e koso e wala pass ene ne mpatem
we dey be mama live you angasa I sure Ghana me service sorry no yes I drop go promenade also see the first road that so as the thief enter where the police can lock the door so as they lock am this with the police there, so that they come up back up come. The way you do, shooting go back anytime, Baba. See, this is Tiagas and the whole room. I like the way you do. I don't 16 Pro Max. I dey fear for my phone. Make I go. I beg. But complaining how bad robbery, yeah. I'm going here for that thing out. So, I'm going to go. I don't mind. How did I confront them?
It's DLFM 106.9.
Enti eni a wutie yi eya akromfo teche mambo wura mu e wala pass ene ne mpatem samo kwa akobɔ kro no e wo forest below bia e wala pass abeka honom ena kwaje ta ena mo loko do no kama papa se be ya akromfo yi entimi nya baabi enwane fa nanso emra postball moden e bia dan mu wie ye na akromfo no so mutu ye so mo fa ahefa wonom nyinada etimi adwane na nipa na ne kotu awisi hu de ko nyinada ejemre ene central fort eche adwenkyere akromfo ne de wonom adwane ko.
What I heard was there are robbers inside. So the policeman locked the gate and called for reinforcement. Then later on, when we realized the reinforcement came and everywhere was crowded. But later on, when the policemen broke into the bureau, they said the people and they vanished. That's what they said.
That's what, so the report is that the robbers who allegedly broke inside have vanished from the room.
Yeah, that was what I heard. Well, they didn't come out with
DLFM 106.9.
But did you see the robbers enter the building?
No. Actually, what I heard was there was a taxi park in front of Forest Road. So later, a policeman passing by, also the Forest Road, the owner of the Forest Road, had a notification on his phone that his shop was being robbed. So he just had to call for reinforcement. He phoned the police container at La Paz here and also called for reinforcement, corporate or let's say robbers.
But did you see the robbers enter the building?
No. Actually, what I heard was there was a taxi park in front of the Forest Bureau. So later, policeman passing by. Also, the Forest Bureau, the owner of the Forest Bureau, had a notification on his phone that his shop was being robbed. So he just had to call for reinforcement. He phoned the police container at La Paz here and also called for reinforcement from the shop.
So the report is that the robbers who entered the Forest Bureau have vanished.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
But you vanished with the money?
No. I didn't hear anything like that.
Ani a wote ye aya danse na ne hu de si ye nyinada wo nei La Paz. Ana wo kire mu sei. Akronfo na ye no kre, o mba san ko mba bewia. Ebia ya wo mu sisa sika yi nanso. Posifo ne baye. Loko dan ma akronfo ne kemu kama pa Ghana fo nyina nim se we de nkagya ya to adi. Efise na nsenya da. Ebisi ya wadabraka ye mfikire ha ya. Eno so akronfo bepem samra ye ne kese ye ntumi nchi ba kumpo. Na kan de nim se we de ya to adi. Efise akronfo na akadamu ne de a se de tie bia nkan yense betumi aka nanso. Fofia nto ata na wadwana ba mo a. Emra posifo no bia dan ne wie na mkohwe mu no. Na akronfo na tumi afa back door. Omo nyina adwane kwa. Akwai roho sempa. Emu nkyere mu no dansini a odina ni kopia wise hu de ekọ so ni nyina bi no. Ode aso ene yenso de ekase bode mu nkyere mu nyina da. Ede asom wen. Yanto akase bo no so na yemo emfanwura mu en. Ewa Ghana man penin na na adedanko akufu adom. Ode nsmatu dwa ekyerem sem. Oya Ghana man penin ni santi afu abato ya babetuo no. Obekọso a gina de tumi so man penin ahwe. Ema homa bon sensem atimi aye adwuma. Ema man abato we ni hwehwemu na afi nsuhunu fan yetimi ada honom. Ema obiara entimi nkobu emfanfa so enkwewi abatom se be betia bono man Ghana ahoban bon sem titiru na asomdwe man Ghana ye wo no eniema etimi akoso ye pade mo man Ghana man penin din se wade tudwa emra passing out ceremony dwumadiam ekoso eye short service commission dwumadi ekoso ewa special intake intake eno no koso Ghana Military Academy ena Ghana man penin na dango agufu ado wagaze na ochirem sem so yo man penin obekoso eje ne tumi so ahwe mo man Ghana ahoban bon sem atimi eja naso ye pabese betimi abo no manga na somja ye wo no yatimi akrasom wakasa kiremi se manga na ho ba mo nsam de sabe yedumi mfa ni agro ye ba beto aba ko petimi de ma aya amanyuko bi so nkodi o manga na so a we de sika twennim etututu nso nim ni senti so ye mampanin de obehwa so ahwe abo maden agya ne tumi so ahwe ma mra ya adwuma sabe ye betimi abo no manga na kemeka bia memo no etimadi hini pam Ghana mampanin agaze kiremi se o manga na ho ba mo ko ni nyina da so omunya mo na so mo adwumaden Mamu ntie benkum na se nimfa omonko amani muten na dwumade omudi se ahomba ekuo no omonfa mara mfa nya dwuma se betumi awo no man Ghana afu abato no ahomba mo asem etimade hene ema Ghana mampen na danko kufado ejemre ekasa dwumade na se no nimsem ne mu enkyire mu no enie.
In 2 weeks, Ghana will once again demonstrate a democratic maturity through the conduct of free and fair elections. I urge you to discharge your duties with professionalism and neutrality, ensuring the safety and security of all citizens. I want to reassure all Ghanaians that our democracy will remain steadfast and unshaken. The right to free and fair elections is non-negotiable, and I'm committed to ensuring that the will of the people prevails in every election. No ambitions of any politician or political party will ever compromise the peace and stability that we as a nation have worked so hard to build and enjoy. The peace of Ghana is a sacred trust, and I pledge that as I transition from office, I'll do so with the utmost respect for our democratic process, safeguarding the future of Ghana for generations to come.
Ne kwakura mu no ana Ghana mampenen na adodankwa akufu adom okasa na osan akire mu sem o man Ghana ye na ahia so yade a ehia papa ne santi ahobambo kro no Ghana Armed Forces for mu nyina mo na so ye efrisem o man na yatimo no ye ntumi emfa ye nkwa emfa nwura to pre Ghana mampenen kasa na otim se ne galamsi ahodo a ekoso o man Ghana mu no ne nyina da efri o man Ghana ya ahia so ne ya ahia so nti ama hodo afufuo bi bomaden timi boru amanyi mu ebedisa bensembone nti ahoma mofo ko ni atitiriw ene asrafo nyina mo na so ye na ma ahoma mo nsem no entimi nyina ba se betimi aboa na o man Ghana ba ye betui na somdwe mapa etimi ade hene e wo man Ghana mu.
The security landscape in our region is dynamic and at times unpredictable. From the threat of environmental degradation through illegal mining to the alarming southward movement of terrorism from the Sahel towards our borders, the challenges are complex and multifaceted. The armed forces must remain
DLFM
vigilant,
106.9
adaptable, and prepared to confront these evolving threats with resolve. It is in this context that my government has embarked on the progressive expansion of the armed forces, ensuring a military presence across all 16 regions of our nation. These FOBs include FOB Dollar Power, FOB Hamile, FOB Tumu, FOB Navrongo, FOB Boko, FOB Nalarigo, FOB Bunkrungu, FOB Saboba, FOB Bimba,
DLFM 106.9
FOB Bole, FOB Jirapa, Forward Logistics Base at Wa, Forward Logistics Base at Bolgatanga, and Main Logistics Base at Tamale. The establishment of the forward operating base at Nsilibu to safeguard our upstream oil facility is one such initiative that underscores the commitment to national security.
DLFM 106.9.
Any hour tea, a Ghana man penny, Nana Adodankwa Ekufuado, and the Chims or my Ghana Hoba Monsemono, a Yan Ye Pani sent ya Abatono, or Becos Jan and Nasa Soman Penny Ashe, Mahoba Monsem, Etimi Edding, and Munchemo, and a day Assum Wing. Yatwaka Sebonso body of Remo, Elfinfi Mantem, Central Air Regional Police Command, Edekobo, and some dia tour at the Mo my Ghana. Amanyokoni Yada say, a full Yabatwa in the senting. Said ya Afibia ya to a bar. Omba maden edisabe diem na nyansem anase nyina mansem ekofa matwomanfo ebabrom biahodo yeto abane baye basabasa no afu de nyade ampanifo betena se amasabe sa ensemhunu sa no atumi akoso nti amanyokoni nyina na omo so firi se wa wonnim na wode wo matwomanfo bebodi awura mu ne de waso betima ya hye pam DCOP Charles Kofi Adu Central Regional Police Command wa kire mu sem sakokobo we ne de ahoba mmonsem na se ahoba mokoni nyinata Wama de mraba ye adwuma se betimi abo no man Ghana fu yabato no ene amatima akoso yipa ede ama oman wasaka se kirem se wom kabie wom nyinata wanum entai oman Ghana post service nachi ana visa homa mokori nyinachi na mra so die entimi kon kan ne yefi se oma na yetim ne kwakoto aba eno nkyere se sabi obi mfa mra nkwahye ne nsem enkohuru asotro o kirem se koba ne se oman Ghana ho ba mo nsem kabia mammo nu nso ebetumi akoto asane mu nti sa na mobon ne sabi afi ototo sere se ma ebi ensi kuram wasaka se kirem se ensentro for the electoral commission ene Ghana post service ama omo kwan se won so betime nya akwanya etuma kopie mu e obia hodo abato no betime akoso nanso wasese oyem sontwe na okobo maden se wodi ayo accreditation card ne beko na de dance se won so we ensem training mapa ente sa wa hwe awokwa behu abeg pa ye ma kwan e ma elections no ontimi fu ani kotua wisie enkokodi madanse wasane kokobo e de man central for se abato wi ko sensenteni bia kwagina honom na nsama sabi ensi ye ne waka hanum tokwasi basa bia kwaso ne yasem kuma o tem se dabi nsem training bomaden se ensama hudu bia obeka efa hoba monsem bomaden se oni aposifo bedi kan di hu nkomo ma aposifo agedi atum ansa na de nsem de babonten se beya enkofo ye ne na mfa nipa bi nso enkwan koto asem se betumi abona afu abato no ene matumi akon kan pam DCOP Charles Kofi Adu asa aka se kirem sem aposifo bekwaso abadwumaden aboa mama Ghana afu abato no ayasumje mapa ne send Ghana fo nyani mra so ne moa na afu abato no asumje mapa entim ne hene e wo man Ghana mu.
I called for us to share few information about what is expected of the media as we embark on this upcoming election. The command is saying that we are going to have a liaison officers which will be appointed from the police intelligence units that will liaise with the media so that in case you have any concerns, any security issues, the media will channel it through the appointed liaison officer, which is the PID personnel, so that he or she will share the information with the regional command. We don't want a situation where the media will take the law into its own hands, try to address some of the security issues by itself. Rather, what we expect is that if you have any security concern, please share it or discuss it with the liaison officer, after which he or she will also communicate same to the regional command. Then based on that, we can also inform the national headquarters. Again, we're going to have five media we have in the region here. If you don't have that accreditation, please, we don't want you to come here and then start speculating false information. In as much as we want to have a very peaceful exercise, we want the election to be very peaceful. We entreat all politicians not to engage any macho men in and around the voting centers. Security of the election rests solely on the police,
DLFM,
not even on the military. So please, every politician who tries to come around with any macho men will deal with those macho men.
And here what ye a Central Regional Police Command, needing at the DCOP Charles. Kofiadu and Ochem say, "Wa wouldn't now demra, ever showing some a few way about to Nabako Police Station. Sabi, Equidin Semuno, said on Bessie be a discipline no. Ufru and Macofia, we had a pin we pa. A moment more, and a day assume wing. Yan to a Casabono Sonia Monfang way. And now make us say a 10 workers here every ECOWAS court. At the Babontain, 8 remusem. Op my Yama, me and Ankaja, Obabaka Casama for. At the Ama New Force, Amanyo Kono, Chada, Nana can be Diaconamanyo Queen. The day at the Aya Shalima, Aya Abisim. Namame Ghana and penny for modern Ashaye. Mama kwache no remusem wo hwe billboards ha wodo eba bonten na ene ade akatama minani na ehu pa ne senti ehunahuna Ghana fo na Ghana mpani fo tena se dwen hu ne se wa hwe ne ya no mpese omkofa atuate fo beto hwe Ghana so nti se ne atani gana omkwache mamen ed ne fa kwan so bomade de porto no so nko no kuro mfise nya Ghana no ofri e matete Ghana fo ntim ti fri emam na ko ba bi kran na nsa we mu no ana esi amekese no New Force Amanyoko na ntena so na mmamade ne kopie mu ewo ECOWAS court na esi amekese no ECOWAS court mpeni fo atena se e de atemo de ba bonten na nsa mo ka nyina ne se sa sense ma fa so mmamade ekwache ya mame a ne den ade eye Shalima eye abisi no amfam na kwan so ne santi omanga na adwumayefo sika yenya yaba mmade aya adwuma bosum bia du a aban tetete yeto edikogu aban kwafesimo no sa sika ne bi aban NTB no fa enkoma jesen ye ya mame a ne den ede eye Shalima eye abisi no on fasika ne nkoma no na wanje ne wondi efiri se o matietie ne fa hodie so ekwan ya Ghana mpani fo de mame ne fa so no eye ECOWAS court no kirem sem wano mabu mra so efiri se o mana ya timo no wuntumi enje obi jese de tumi mfamfiri ne nsam sam okwakoye kasama fo de mamanyoku a no nkire sem o de ade ahye na dem ti o manga na mo de tumi ahye mo nsam ti monte ase court na ahye se o manga na mamodem emfa patasika emfa nkonkoma New Force Amanyoku no fa mame ne efiri sem ana mo na Ghana atu no enya de a emra no keka bidi ma omokra emani tia sa akra na sase sem we mu no eye Madina Masebadwane Francis eye Xavier Susum esqa eba moden on na kwagina mu ade ma ya mame ane den ade abisi se eye lawyer ba konso anu so ne den ade eye Rosalenda eye na kwe eye kwe no on so kwagina mu bi na mu kirem sem asam na aba no emu de zaza bia no manam o manaje papa every sem o mana ya timo no emra na ye de adwuma nti ye ntiment na se Ghana mpanifo betena se na New Force Amanyoku oyi kasa ma omukeka sa de ade na dem ti ye ntiase ne sende na mekese New Force Amanyoku no susirem sem wonu machi ani age papa asam na asie no emu de sesa bia no manam ne senti o mabo mu nsem pa ade abaso ba kese ade ma kwa koto nsem wonu mati metena se na tetenan atimi aba e wo mna Ghana mpanifo ade ma de so mu nsem ekwatete maami we se o montiase na no o mu kirem sem anamo na koto na tu no emu ade pa sabia no manam ti o mo de abaso ba kese pam ede ama ECOWAS court no sa na mo we na watu no emu de nsenti wonom eda na se pam we su ne sema hodo a efiri ECOWAS court ade ba say oman Ghana empatasika yenkotua emfama maame ya na gokoba ye kasamafo ede ama New Force Amanyoku no eye Shalima eye abisi se sika we no onje no nkonkodi e kira bi Ghana mpani fo tena samo hwe ade a wonom bepi hu ye pam yento akasebo no so ne yenkoso nyina mu e wakaso ne mpotem na nkrabato di ye kasebo pono so ekirem sem enkran ena afin so kaso highway no so no ensuo to a ekwan fa baabi na ebubugum na adwidwi ni senti akoye wo afidie kese pam e de ma hyenkafo a wonom efa kwaso akantempon e de kɔ winiba ne mpotem no so pa ne senti asenkafo ya kase ekirem sem Ghana mpanimfo momode na mesiesie kwanante sade a wonom enkwa e de sanum ye pa na ba Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 wo ba benya bi ni wa hwɛ ba kasa de kwan na ja asankafo etim se bide akwaye no ayo etese ne wo video pantinkumfo besiesie kwan no emfama omo emra asankafo no ba moden aje mre ene de yakasa ba twetwe kono mu kirem sem asem we si ye ne enya ne si ye achapan nanso de belada ombo de wuro kasa sempenifo be ya adom no kan be siesie kwan so mo ka kan ya de mpenifo ni tinti o maka ze tirem se sempenifo a omoden ama me siesie kwan fa ma omode bedu babiri wan hwe ne nkwanhia si na nsan nkwanhia ta akwaso pa wa kaso ne mpotam nti we nyina ka ho bi ni senti sempenifo me siesie kwan no ama me siesie ampa drainage system pa ma na mmade nso ne topa na yiri fa so a ekwan no betuma dwidwiri ama nkwanhia timesi kaso ne mpotam mpenifo ka ze tirem se so manga nafo epe kaso afo ne mpotam ene ade hye mo fa kwantempon no so ade kwata krade wini ba ene vinso eye Cape Coast ne mpotam de mo mesiesie kwan nte sade a ebia na Ghana hyenkafo no wonom anti asempa na ade hye gemre ene je ka sebo eche makosem de ente nam so amuchem sempanifo e mesiesie kwan emfama wonom no
so because of the baby I want enye enso so to ha enye easy na me dey ba kwa ha me crack se ye junction ha accident esi wa ha how we for some about traffic light am I up to now am I demonstration kwa 4 times ye hu ne ye bi wana se hu ne ka se obi etwa mu okwa mu kwa na ndem hye serious man pa o agbeta junction ha ka sagata ne so awo kan de serious but e driver bi a una man adu na wuni we so park kwa ho kakra wa beto am street light enso street light kwa we so 50 more e de ba be se kwa to ba kokra enso Pakukra and so and Uju want Tiasia and Panifoso or Mamma, Bibu on Betia Bo Mina, Omonia. I just almost have a BBC, Sabi Nipa answer. No one who's on my best, I just a Saturn, Macra Cranqua, just a Fasobiani, I didn't barbarians. It's a beginning, say a canna and Babuadia, make a Maboy, maybe be a camera.
One of the between a Kabi and Huno or Peso Packet, no Limzam, no one. 2 years ago, Quanas into no Ezombe would be my. I checked the last year. Serious. About me, Kudipa. I am from number Shamayan. Ghana Highway.
Oh, and they bet me a president, but near someone on a private Kaiser motor, they are to Amo Brian. I was high tension as one. Then they bet me a president. You can say, you bought Ghana Highway for authority on Farmania. Your toilet tends to call a municipal assembly on so still no mamma hair. Did not know about her, what tea and an human. Oh, and there's any punk on here, Sim Bibia, because Nippon Quandia, and here passing Bibia. His answer says, this only be up here and inquire. Say, his answer was really party seminar, and Bassa also said, this will be here and inquire. Eh, Sunday. Your bomb by some baby here on much my yama.
DLFM 106.9.
Eni awoti ye aya hyenkafo won mo kaso na mo kirem say won mo kwan no enso tope na dwudwene bubugum ni senti sempanifo amasiesia aye owu afidie bedu baabi no ebetumi akofo ye neni kwanhia de aba enya de bebo oman Ghana kra enu so nkiremu ena yede asumwen yatoa oman adwuma kase bo no so DLFM 106.9 na yebo ede awremu ewa company edia eda wonom so eye Geo Anointing Construction Limited wonom abomaden akofa credo 10 akopim wakaswa eye Galilea MA Basic School no akwakotum eno wo Ga South Municipality nim ewa krabopone matem omo kirem se womo abomaden akobabosia ede kwakosi school dan kama pa se be ya Ghana desuafo no mpotem ho no no ombetime nya dan partner na omasua de na omasomatuma dwe omo pa nanso bepem na me no kesem emrisante ni sika hodo ampanifo hye aboso no mama wo mo no adwuma ma yesa ketia no wonom sankumi nka sika endamu kirem se dabi sa na moto mu ntumi entena se ema sa sabe empanifo nsisi wonom sam na empanifo ka se na mu kirem se omudi ka akotu mu ewa hine meboso munim eka kirem empanifo se sika na omode wo mo no get farm for sika entumi mra na sika a mo so ko ba abosia e de besi school dan no wonom nsa entumi ka omusika na so mkoto dan mu no empanifo hye mo bo se de tie bia no enka senka hini mbusu metwa mu nkɔ na wie ye de na nkaja wonom sika na wo nsa timi aka nanso empanifo kirem se Ghana empanifo atenase aye wo krɔkɔ da dwom ena mfiso ya Ga South Assembly na atenase aye nhwe han sa mesi amekese sika na kwaka adwa mu nti wonom adwene ho ahunu se enche bia Ghana fo kɔkɔto aba na ba na yɛto wie pɛ Ghana ma mpanin na de nkɔ akufu ado onta nkɔso nya ma mpanin bio ɔkɔ akɔdwena home na onim de nipa koro bɛsa bɛdi ɔman Ghana ma mpanin bio Dr. Mamudu ba wo na bɛba mpo a ɔba ebia na sika na koye nsempi onpena da John Dramani Mahama mpo na baba mpo sika na baga betumi akoye twuma menhwe ba hadwen yi sane santi wono masan abamade afa kado tenten endrada akoto school num akopema dusuafo no na ba Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 the video na to so aba benya bi ni wahwe behwe se kwan ya fa so contractor no ekwa lock door no apam school for my friends am kwatena fie anasa am kwatena nua safe sem penifo do omoka omutumi ntrase enfo musika nkosi dan egwa mra wo mo kwatena fie na komado omunti omutumi nya ne sakram no penipo aje mre ene sentrofo di nkomo kasamafo ede ma Geo Anointing Construction Limited no ne de Emmanuel Ado Okan and no them same. And penifasha mo boss sa get from penifakasa. Or so for share omanga na dusian Samson no modin was one answer. Omokaka na kaska ayakwa kwa kaskara. And penifon tia musu frenting. Omuni konko babosia 2017. And I see dying. But people samra yakaseng and penifon to me can they want to me Emma musika akafa da mo kanti. Omako to den na Ghana Education Service nim. Na muko bia do na mampeni adusua fo ne kwatena class mukosua de mba chi wo mo. Every same. Ayade amra ba ya adwuma se ba metumi abo na mo sika no. Wono musa etimi aka. Emmanuel Ado oka jemre. It is central to train kobo. And 7 chile mo no enie.
This elections is producing one outcome, whether we like it or not. Because whether Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wins, President Akufo-Addo is leaving office. It means there's going to be a change in administration. If Mahama wins, there's going to be a change in administration. When there is a change in administration, we all agree that it will take a while for the government to be formed. And we cannot be waiting, and we would have to go back in chasing our money. We made efforts. They kept calling. Today they would ask for this document, we would produce it. The next day they worked for another document, we would produce it. Right? We keep speaking to them, and there is no sign of we getting our money paid. So our message is simple. The GES must be cautioned that this property does not belong to them. If they come back to it, it means they will be occupying it illegally, and we refer to they would be squatting, and so they should take notes. If we come and they are back into the classroom, we're going to issue legal action against them.
DLFM 106.9.
Any awoti ye kasama for Edema Jewa Non-10 Construction Limited. Neden Ade Emmanuel Ado Okan. Ene wotie mu sem. Sem penifo no nko biedo ne dia. Wono maso ba yese pa. Emu nkyere mu ene yede asem wen. Yento akase abo no so ne momfa nwura mu ewa pie matem ne nko pie mu. Ewa Abuakwa North eya municipality nim district assembly no atena sem. Na ma wo moden ade chesene achade pa dodo na moden de akoma adehia wonom editem se be betimi abo na omo so asetrem ne mapa etimi ade akoma ama omo pam na enema hodom no kwacha wonom no enya sem kuma ne biscuit ahoto anom de ahodo ai dokodoko de bi koma wonom efin so eye chesene bidi ahodo back bebre na dam no koma adehia se monche efin so eye hair dryers ahodo no koma wonom and efin so eye fosu ntade bi dodo na da no koma de shenza monje netumi muamo na masetrem entumi koye pam afinso nya ne nkwada mba moden ekofa emo box ahoto na afinso eye ebronsu ka ho bi ene anom de dodo na mo de kan ho sa de hye monye netumi mo na masetrem entumi koye pam na mna opani pa wono no ya municipal chief executive de ma echesane Abuakwa North Assembly no ne din de Dr. Alhaji Oman eye Babs Pontiga ejemande de yakasebo ya nanam senior ogwo echesane epiemantemu kontenhini Kofi abotwetwe nkoma na otiem sem Ghana man penny na Dankwa Akufo-Addo enna beje Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia akabum eboasa Ghana de hye wombetimi aboa masabi womonso so omaditem a womni kamafo no nso omonso asetrem etimi aye mu jojo se betimi aboa na sika hodo omopem na akada wodo betimi aboa na omonso ensasomatu omati na monkoya adeso fa moman no wonom sa etimi asosom wakasa kirem sem wenyina anama hodo ampenifo tu se betimi aboa na omaga na de hye nso wonom ho atumatom titiri no wonom a wonom aditem no wakasa no sa kirem sem ombo moden tabiri bidie makoma 30 bucks ade manipa baako se wanje oye oba ono susu wadidem na emla amude sa achade ma no ma menende sese wagyan naso yi a adwode akese yekoso ne yasem kuma kram ne sente wakasa kirem sem Ghana man penin na Dankwa Akufo-Addo na nakasa na be de akire Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ade hye omadidem so womani ko mo ho ye pa se betumi abo na omo so obatuma nya sika enya dwuma pa atimi aye se be ya omo se betuma nya sika da hwe mabusuafro e ma Dr. Bodiga Jemre ene de akase yebo yensam training kontiri kosi abo twetwe nkwamo no neso ahodo ade tu dwa no emu ekire mu no eni
wei nia omampani na nadu eso masi na mijidi se oye no na ni vice president Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eka ho na omoye na mijidi se eboa menimame bi ono ka se opebidie a ye manu bidie no be 30 bucks lika se rade no nyamsese no but me kra bidie kia baako enam entutu ye pa oye enyeman ye di mamukwa na akamfo mu okase bia se amfo ene chiere nto aso enti mesramo amanyo kuo no a ewo timapa ewo san hihye mu no a eye MPP a Nanado Dankwa Kufuado and Odano any ni Baba Umia abatua ene aka na wachi mienu any num a yebekwa kotono se ye prese ye nuanu mu a sabi womo adi dami bi se omo nso benya mesremo edu abato dano a meminda eba ni na wachi mienu no monhwa nyame anim na montuma number 1 a eye Dr. Mahmoud Baumia any the MPP senior we ebeto aso na me wogidie se ye nyina ye starti abatuo ye di aban ba 92 ebepim 93 ye hu aban a
eni a woti ye no ukopie mo awapie matam ni mu a ebuakwa north eye municipal assembly ni mu a ukopie mo a ono na oda anom ne den ade eye Dr. Alhaji Omar Babs Bodinga na wote se o kyerɛkyerɛ ne nsɛm ne kwakura mu na director of social welfare and afi community development at the Mabuakwa North aya abato empesu so no eye ni makon eye yamo no so jemra kasa na okyerem sem enya de edikan ni wei eye mra makon eye empra nwotwe a wonum atusa na mon ede boa ma de hia wonum so sabe wonum adi dam so etimanya biapa atena na afi so manya aka de betumi abono masetem etima dwodwo panti we ni de ade omotaye pa wakaza ekyerem sem Ghana ban eguso eba omuti dom se we etimi aboa na Ghana de hia bi nso omodi dam no nso no Wama sitremetuma ye na fi akade ahodo hia wo nso abande ma wonom wa kire mu se afi abato afinti Ghana for to aba omonkai MPP amanyokoi ene simu entire mu enie
adijuma we toso 8 aban efa fotuo mu efa mpanyimfo ahia ha ede boa sebe yenuanu ma omodidem de esombo pa ne se sebe yenuanu ma omodidem a omotete kwan ho sresre enioma sa aban beboa se ni nyina ba yede ebe free ho enti ye besre sa na mantu aban ahihye eboa yenuanu ma omodidem a sebe enye omfom so yenyina ebe ka bom aboa na omo sre enioma na yede afri ho na de hia pa ne se enioma ya ato santin se obi bia ni traye ya wanya bi de hia pa se obehwe so ye na aba mfaso a me se obo se sebe obetimi abia adwuma afa obi adwuma mama na yede onu so anya adwuma ye ana wunia sebe mpraduasa owa ahohiahia mu enam adwuma wa bie ni ntu eno so beboa ma enyuma e wokrom ni nso ayede atre na me fa kwan we nso so asrese yenua no mu a sebe mo motete kwan ho yamfa kwan we nso emode huro se aban wo fotuo bi a yede boa wo mo na wo nso etimi ede wo mo nti mesrese mo mfa good news yi entre na obi bia ntibi ewo Ebuakwa North Disability Fund project for economic empowerment.
Any awoti ye a director of social welfare and offense community development at the Ebuakwa North eye mention no ne den ade ni makon yamwa no jemre ene yensem training continue ko fiobo etwetwe nkomo yin we na Ghana de hye dan ye ho na yakọ Facebook no so na yakan etiefo adwentwere na wo mode aba no piaga ana wotirem se yento aba no na yesabe yema yadwene mu na ho yipa abatum ne yento emfama number 1 yo yate wenso baba mahama oboase na wotirem se Ghana needs a serious president with good policies like Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yo yate pam DJ I say we see Richard Ahwe or say ohwe en live we di free gbetire na wotirem se Nhyiraba Kwadwo me ye pa DLFM news or say no size a demo live ewe gbetire ene important DJ Ghana man ya da wase pasa won so do adwenkyere ede ba yem apaka jet watena se ne senti yenko ne yenkwaja akroba papa nsema apaka jet ode aba na pakan
bra nyame adom boko na won so
benso nyame adom ho ye se Ghana nsensem de dodo na agusu a
sure
hwegu ma yenko
abusia ena nwumre ma yensama wadwon ensama wakwa bamfamra deal ohane nsia akiripo enkron kasafidie so emre wedu se na nwumre agudie momrante yesinkunya na agudie mo no ensama wodo ayaboabo no abusia ye gibre ne yesane mo edigu fam edima Ghana nsamwa bibremu de akan ena broni cross wa monone ne nyina kan bia yaboabo no a ena nwumre ye de babesomo ne editie se wote Facebook for ne edihwese mo hwe ena yensu ne edikase ye kano ena yatena se ye de babesom mi amede nsem no eba na di ameje so no ayensu ano de hye apakan GH the blessed king Mr. Kwame Afum ebomachidom ema na nwumre mede nsem no ede abro yansha siam famfi yandie mu de Ghana mrante a esi akan ewa manone no nanse na Abdo Isaku Fatao ebebo AFCON 2025 qualifiers no ewie chire na brante no epra prano prior no anterior cruciate ligament injury bosom makoma kunsia konkron obetna fe this season there over Abdul Isaac Fatao entumi mbobo na Steve Cooper coach edema bobo kwa yefen Leicester City or say Abdul Isaac Fatao ni injury na wenya no serious ye pa ACL injury sana mekano anterior cruciate ligament injury na ebe ruling out of the season on to me mbobo or see a big blow at the man essence player no so afe no nyini ba enti we no be big blow the man Leicester City team no na money was ro ebo mo enti plana we plano ebe big blow na mom ni nyina mo no omo Leicester City on better na chire se na be ya obe bounce back stronger. Cooper shesi ebenya Steve Cooper and so voice now or say bounce back stronger Steve Cooper.
Yeah, he was. He's obviously a a big talent and a young player was as exciting as he can be. Was as every player his age, lots to learn and there is so much to be excited about with him, and we were enjoying really very much being on the journey of the step into Premier League. And you're right, he was starting to show real good signs of the potential that he has. But it's only a pause, and we'll make sure that like I said, as difficult as this is at the moment for him, is that he comes back being a stronger player and person, which with the mentality and the character that he has, I think will be the case.
Steve Cooper, manager Edema Bobo Kwa, yefen Leicester City no watene nkano na osia brantie no omo reshe se obe bounce back stronger than before. Na emra ochirema ni injury no ebe a big blow the ama brantie no and a Leicester City team ni yentie nsema Steve Cooper di tu jano.
And then Jordan has come back injured as well from international duty. It's not a serious injury, as I think it might have been reported locally in Ghana.
Try say a bit to me.
Yeah, not good. Serious injury. He's had an ACL injury that's going to rule him out for the rest of the season. So a real blow, first and foremost for him, being a young player and having an injury as serious as what an ACL is, albeit can be quite common in sport and particularly football, but it's still a serious injury. But yeah, for it to happen at a young age is like I said, first and foremost a blow for him and a blow for us as well.
Steve Cooper, manager at my Leicester City Bobo Kono, and ebusia watene nkano. What Black Stars in Sensemuno, Nana Akumia, vice chairman at my MPP 2024 manifesto committee no. Osi already osusu se otuado no, enya fena yedi ehun panic sem say yes saki otuado. Osi your World Cup qualifies eda yedim. Into ono Nana Akumia de osusu say ye maintain your tuado na on fire World Cup qualifies no na odiabo World Cup qualifies no went to man qualifier and Sani take a decision on Otuado.
With the Black Stars, I don't think we should get into a panic mode. I know there's widespread calls for the coach to be relieved of the. Listen, we have the World Cup qualification ahead of us. I believe we should maintain the coach to take us through the World Cup qualification place. In its sign of trouble, we change the coach, we bring another coach. We still get into trouble and so on. So,
Nana Kumia, vice chairman Edema MPP 2024 manifesto committee no, and ordinary Black Stars in Sensemunum. Fred Papo, aka Papse, former management committee member Edema Black Stars of Ghana. Or say Black Stars no problem no, and say ye pe blame games dodo. Ya ko tournament bi ana ya bo qualifies bi na nko ya instead of say betina say na ya pe problem no na ya solve ne ya ye blame games or say sadie no always bi ano emwa enti ebe ya yenja blame games no na yentnas ne find a proper solution to the problem of Black Stars.
That's exactly what we are doing. Every time we go and then we fall, we hit a break. We come and our concentration is always about where is the problem, who do we blame. We don't concentrate on what to do going forward or which areas. We don't look at the solutions. We don't look at the future. We dwell so much on the past. It's good. I'm not saying it's not good. It's good to dwell on the past to the extent of identifying the problems to solve it. But then to give equal attention to what we have to do.
Mr. Fred Papo Etwanen Samson and all the two just said Black Stars problem nankasano at Dawson or see from playing body technical team management overall send you running football our Ghana ha GFA ministry any supporters nina account to see problems no at Dawson nemo ni ehia se yebetena say now problems we nyina no yebe find solution di amano.
The problem is many. There are many problems. Why I see many different areas, from the playing body to the tanker body to management to the overall administration of our game, to the ministry level, the FA level. Even we as fans sitting back in the media, we all have our contribution to the problem. The problems are many, but I think is what we do going forward. To me, I think is the most important thing.
Fred Papo, aka Papse, former management committee member. Edema Black Stars and a Watenenka, Henry Asantichum, Kasama for Penny, Edema Ghana Football Association, Mr. Henry Asantichum Echema, or the Chopper Kessia Pano, Edema Ghana for say Ineno, or meant to me Amwa, Emma Ghana and to me qualify AFCON 2025, or say Adiaba Kweha Ghana, Emma Yen to me qualify AFCON or your matches yabo fear, yen to me and your point no.
Shell pie, the Ghana for their Acosono and the Anna, the Ayatsu, or Dream One, or Chelsea. At that time, we were more formats illusion about draws, you know. We were hoping Zenka, Yeluna Kano, eventually, I do couldn't access to me and a full year to attack.
Henry Asantichum, Kasama for Edema Ghana Football Association, and what tenant Kano, what club issues still no. Abubakar Watara coach Edema House of Folk na nyame adoma ochina wo University of Ghana Stadium Legono o money Bobo Kwefeni Nsuatema nebo Abubakar Watara echima o se House of Folk for ne supporters no mo bobo no ede emamo mwani gia no mo nso omani age mamo ntena social media sebe enkika ne amope na momo no oto nsa fremu nyina Momra Stadium embeshe team ni nkuran esanse team no ehiamo na moba na mobeta omachia and a game bia ombewini.
They think I'm telling the fans every time and everywhere I go. I tell them, say, this game we are playing for them. If the fans are happy, we are happy. And we need them to come for the next game, to come in numbers, to encourage the team. We're not only on the Facebook, on the social media, but come on numbers in the stadium, follow these boys, encourage them. Fans. We need them.
It's DLFM 106.9.
Abubakar Watara coach Edema House of Folk and Watering because he has fans no munyai social media na motete na na mototwa ya mpiano Momra Stadium na momehwe bono kunadu yadom enso defender Edema Heart of Folk boboko no ye bisanse House of Folk for no mobobo under pressure na no see there be omombobo under pressure na momono ni obeka ne se nia coaches no any technical team na chiro mo no eno no mokwa go pramane so ekokoye nti omombobo no under pressure.
Pressure be a mo se be put his match hotel to say mo there is play under pressure na se be business they are training
kunadu yadom etwane samso eno de to just say everything dey kwei as a for game bi on bebo bia no omo fan it say final match eno omo ball into ochina game a omo ne nsu ateman kwa kobo no omo prepare very well no omo de call omo to nsa fresh supporters no ball no mo body mamo into ochina mu nyina mra na mo be support team na fence no nansen anytime bia has bebo ball no mo nko so an support omo
last game like and then final match so be a boy who match we are prepare for this match they've been there for us I'm and them dinner na people no way cheap
Kunadu Yadom a defender at my hat of folk bobo kono ena ebusia watenenka yamoni to na yan sorry so uramo ewo Europa enanyumre league matches ni bi ebeba so 8 p.m. ewo Spain Getafe and Real Valladolid ebebo Germany 7:30 no Bayern Munich and Osbeck edebebo and our France no French Ligue 1 6 p.m. ya no game ne bako ato dwadadada omobo AS Monaco and Brest nyame adom chna ye de wonsem nyina ba besomo ewo DL Power Sports ne so and afenso ebo 8 p.m. Paris Saint-Germain and Toulouse and so ede bebo ani ye de wonsem ede ato anima enye asam ketwa na wia no beka amede to anim say report eba ne se Barcelona ebenya 125 years on the 29th of November bosumi no mo greatest of all time player Lionel Messi no maton sa dia freno say ombrana galana omo de ebe celebrate 125th anniversary no ombe support na mom no anwumre ya report eba according to Mundo Deportivo Centreco was pe omo chema Messi akache Barcelona for so ntumi ma esan say on the 29th no or assignment bi okoye enti ontumi mba enti no Joan Laporta ne mpene for no mne ade ontumi emba occasion asia yede won somebody ato anim na Messi to an Samson no say this season wa hwe Barcelona team no na omo ye great ye pa na onya surprise kra enso wo wa yede won somebody ma o kai Barcelona former player ye friend Javier Mascherano ofi Argentina meno ka say officially o ram o USA Inter Miami na wakwa sign 3 years contract na wakwa kokochi Messi oni Messi ebo Barcelona esa ne bo Argentina national team in the onwe di kan retire wa ye coacha okokochi Messi ewo Inter Miami a ye de won sam edma ebusu amre ne ko nyame adom ochina ebo anopa no nkron kan hyian ewo DLFM ha na yamfa pi na embeso eye DL Power Sports ochina ampa ye bedwa be hye into ochina hyian na yamfa wonsem pi na emfama na Nhyiraba yakoi ene Ghana all-time top scorer na one of the greatest African players yehu Asamoah Baby Jet Jan all-time top scorer edema Ghana ene Asamoah Jan 39 years enande Asamoah Jan enya eno na DJ Marion dia to Facebook
senior man
yes or a legend edema Ghana and African football Ope African player washe go do World Cup Asamoah Jan onye player ketwa and then Asamoah Jan enya 39 years into DLFM for ya reshi Asamoah Jan
was it when you 39
years Asamoah Jan 39
nyame shan wa ye bia moment Asamoah Jan we die awoda we die nyina techire
sure
na baby be cause nso animire am ye nhia what ya say na ya fanhye so panti Asamoah ye ma woda pa nyame nkoso panti na nim nkyerɛw
sure enti abusia ye de agudio mu nsam no adiasi me amede bae na edin ameje so no ayensu ano de hye apakanjich the blazer kinasida kase nkoma Mr. Kwame Afum so obo machidom ema mede ba Nhyiraba so mo
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Atiefo yesan ema mu akwaba bebe yedrei eye sofa na min sofa ifrisa asema da ho no mo no eso pa menko a nyade a metimi aso na numren na nyina ne se nansen edikan adabraka enche kra ana akronfotechi amoa ekobodi wura mu ewo ye forest below bebe yesese sika ewa adabraka nansenya ekowia sika bebre na de tena kam di koye Ghana Post Service eden kata babonten se mugu so hwa wonum so mbetwe na so besim samlam no kasai wanom entimenche ba akokram enenso asem we biasi la pass ene anopan ema posifo atimi akoto akromfo na lock door no mo kan inside but a posifo na san be ka kire yen sem ema mu bie pono ko hwe na akromfo na tumi abu pono no afa back door apie ko a o mo sentimi aka mo so mugu so a wono hwehwe wono ma kire akwan asem sei Ghana ni wotia wosomusen 0534050 199 0534050 199 05934 6565 0593406565 betimi afren no do ade no ediaba sala pass akonfa gbawura honom se yakwakowia bia ya wonom sisa sika na yatimi ya lock door na akonfo yakam nanso posifo bia pru no hwe ya hrabasa wonom ko asemoje hosen. Hello, good evening.
Evening, Nhyiraba.
Yeah, senior Mpatori na bia kasa free.
Apoma.
Twidi amponya ko pa do me ho ye pa na nso e. Ipacho ka se free hen. Ene wudin.
Let me survive and make a special.
Ipacho me ntia wadwenkyere.
Shaba.
Senior.
No ato okuja boni hanki bi enu bi enu
Mate won sabeka. Bob Marley dia na.
Shaba.
Won sabeka.
Ma nyami senior kanu kra. Polisi for mo kasa no mo yere. Esuma nkofo mo bia.
Baby akeka ko e hotro.
Mamika.
Ya leg, yesre wada.
Ya leg.
We dey mesre wada.
Sama kanu kra. Ya leg. Say polisi for mo kasa mo suma nkofo mo ko.
Ususu say bia polisi for ne mu bia na.
Yes. Because police phone to me ka ba kire say o ma lucky dan on nkofo wano e kire na o mo sa ko bia o ma so ma ajani akọ e get ni e ba ko pe o ma lucky a o ma fa anya akọ
asemo o mo say do ba ko da chi nti o ma butohwe kwisi e kokora
okay
da se pass senior me da se say won so o ba so o betimi afre 05340 50199 0534050 Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Senior Pacho Dini Baby Akasa free. Yeah.
Over the coffee man, ya shama da.
Oh, champion. Pacho mayentie wa dumbre.
Ana mo fa no mana mo e.
Ano mana mle se okọ se hwe kura na se okọ kuku no.
Oh yes, very.
Se empenifo atubuo no munti ama ebo no akosoro ntino. Sika ba na botum. Okọ hwe sisi kuku se be ya akate enye moso.
Ya de amiase. Ajuada de ene no a.
Ya no a.
No all the want to say 10 cities mai.
Eno I don't know.
On pay tu mano.
Sa na tenen. Edem. Pacho mayentie o.
Ofa. Asemwe de ere mu.
Papa.
Because na edan amaloke adan akronfo no mo ayire duana.
Yenim se omo do mo ho ka wo na ja omo bu tohwe ewura wo no mu pie ye dia ba mo kirem se I say back door no ma fa pie ntin bia na epono no ba ko wakire aha
Ghana for you
mano I don't know
what you going to do
Matisi ni ameso me dance. Hello, good evening.
Hello, that's your name.
Oh, my hope Pacho o ka se free ni edin. Oh, mi Pacho we sabi ma mentio.
Pacho se bibi oboko.
Ya mi adoma she yi pa.
Okay. Hey, we just some de mu yehu. Emu yehu papa. Into mo loke o mu se won minute ahin na edi ya. Omo ko bie ye omo hu so we dane.
Eno ni asem no.
Ghana de sisi de first na nka omuye bibi disi oba sisi de bibi omuye ni na omuye maye hu say adananya fa na eti o we de so mu na esi enti oja de ombeka na eti
yo medase se wo so utumi ba so afrefo ye besere mo adan na mnyamre ni nti ye ntimi emfa afrefo ni bi opere ebo e de awura efie hanom ye. Hello, good evening. When Timmy Enyina so and ye fancy opele yemle ne ko ye fancy we na Ghana de hye ne ye begina we so na yeje oman adwuma kase boy yensa so ene efieda enumre no hanom de ni nyina ebesie kasebo mu semfo ye maize mebel etwene se kasebo mu edema men DJ Omalion na fin so champion tera kofitera ba ma tentegram ba kope ono so mmenu kabo mu edem kopie mu e wo Facebook no eso meso a meje nkonwa e ko ne kontre ko de kasebo besema nimre no di a meje so Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B me sorry swing na DJ Hitman oba betena se na wa wonim so ne de enje bia ne ho ebe ye hi
DJ Hitman o heterodo ancha hu ba ye hi ani destiny.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.